How to choose the best export settings for Premiere Pro 2024. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export high-quality video in Premiere Pro 2024. Step 1. Mark in and out points. Move the playhead to the start of the video, press I to set the in point. Go to the end of your video and press O to set the out point. This defines the section of the timeline you want to export. Step 2. Export settings. Go to the Export tab. First, under File Name, change the name of your file to whatever you want. Then, click Location to choose where the file will be saved and click Save. For the preset, skip it since we'll customize the settings. Under Format, select H.264. Step 3. Video Settings. Expand the video section. Ensure the frame size is set to the frame size of your video. If it's not, unlock the aspect ratio and manually set it to the frame size that you want, or the video frame size given. Alternatively, you can click Match Source to make this automatic. Set your frame rate to match your footage, example 23.976. Make sure field order is set to progressive and aspect to square pixels 1.0. Check the box for render at maximum depth and also check Use maximum render quality. Step 4. Encoding. Under Encoding, you'll see options for hardware and software encoding. If your computer has a powerful GPU, choose hardware encoding for faster exports. If not, go with software encoding. Set profile to high and level to 4.2. Step 5. Bitrate settings. Bitrate settings directly impact file size and quality. You can choose between CBR, constant bitrate, VBR 1-pass, and VBR 2-pass. For CBR, set the bitrate to 62.5 for the best quality, but note this will increase file size significantly. Here's my trick. Instead of CBR, select VBR 1-pass and set the target bitrate to 30. This keeps the quality high while cutting the file size in half. If using software encoding, you can opt for VBR 2-pass, but in my experience, there's little quality improvement, and it takes much longer to export. Step 6. Audio settings. Go to the Audio tab. Make sure the audio is turned on, and set the audio format and audio codec to AAC. Set the sample rate to 48,000 Hz, channels to stereo, and bitrate to 320 kilobits per second. Step 8. Save your preset. Instead of repeating these settings for every project, save time by creating a custom preset. Click the three dots, select Save Preset, name it, and press OK. Next time you export, simply select your preset and all these settings will be applied automatically. Finally, click Export to finish the process. And we're done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you on the next one.